What's up guys, this is Jess with the Indoor Golf Shop. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Garmin Approach R50. Let's get started. So first thing you're going to do is turn on the unit. It is a button on the lower left hand side underneath the screen. Alright, once we have the unit turned on, you're going ahead and add a user. And let's go ahead and create a new Garmin account. So first thing you're going to do is connect to your Wi-Fi. And let's go ahead and create a new Garmin account. Once we have our account logged in, you'll be able to get the agreement. All right, then you're gonna have to go ahead and submit the licensing. Next. Choose your orientation. Let's go right-handed. We're gonna keep it to yards and feet. All right, then you're gonna go ahead and choose yourself, and from here you can get started. And now if you want to see all the units and everything on your screen, take your HDMI cable and you'll pull down in the back of the unit, and all you'll do is you plug it in there and we're good to go. All right, now that we have our HDMI hooked up here, let's go ahead and practice. So I'm going to select driving range. Let's do regular driving range. You can kind of mess with your metrics here and you can start your session. I'm gonna have you choose your club as well. So I'm gonna hit with a 7 iron.
Be sure to place the ball 1.5 feet away from the R50. The on-unit display will guide you to the correct ball placement in order to properly track your shot.
So we can see it on our screen, we can see it on the Garmin R50 itself. So let's take a swing here. All right, and now I'm gonna show you how to change views on the screen. If you want to switch up what you can see on your monitor or your R50, all you'll have to do is click in the bottom right here and you'll be able to change data. So go to map, done, and now your impact screen is showing your map. If you want to change it on your R50 display, you'll go to R50 display and you can change the settings here, or you can even split screen to see your distance here. So now you can see the full range on your impact screen as well as your data points and the data analytics on your R50. You can kind of play around with this as much as you want. So now you have all your data points here and then you can still see it on your screen. And then if you want to see your ball impact,
or if you want to see the impact video, you can do that as well.
You can customize this really as much as you want. This would do the external display on your impact screen, or this would do your on-unit monitor. We just set up our Garmin Approach R50. If you have any questions, you can go to shopindoorgolf.com, reach out to any of our sales associates. They'll be happy to help out.